Antibiotics. Antibiotics are those chemical substances which are produced by certain microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and molds and are capable of inhibiting the growth or even destroying the microorganisms responsible for causing infections in human beings. Nowadays, it is possible to synthesize antibiotics wholly or partly by chemical methods. Therefore, the definition can be changed and can be defined as an antibiotic is defined as a substance which, in low concentration, inhibits the growth or destroys the microorganisms by intervening in the metabolic process. Some important antibiotics are penicillin, chloramphenicol, and streptomycin. Sulfa drugs. Sulfa drugs are the derivatives of sulfanilamide. Some important sulfa drugs are sulfadiazine, sulfapyridine, and sulfathiazole. Anti-fertility drugs. The chemical substances which are used to check the pregnancy in women, that is used for the birth control, are called anti-fertility drugs or oral contraceptives. Some of the important anti-fertility drugs are as follows: norethindrone, ethylnyl, and estradiol or novestrol, mifepristone. All these are the anti-fertility drugs. Antihistamines. The drugs used to combat the allergy effects of histamine and are called antihistamines. Some examples of dimetab, celdane, diphenylhydramine, antacid. Chemical substances which remove excess acid and raise the pH to an appropriate level in stomach are called antacid. The commonly used antacids are magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, magnesium trisilicate, aluminum hydroxide gel, sodium bicarbonate, and aluminum phosphate. Differences between antiseptics and disinfectants are mentioned in this position in the syllabus. Therefore, you can refer that the definitions and the examples.